Hello everyone, just a quick video today showing Q2 tire in the short term. So we're gonna go ahead and wet the tires to see the water beading properties and the self-cleaning ability of this tire shine. Gives a deep matte black and cleanliness for tires, so deep matte black finish. So this is how it looks like after it's been applied and wiped down with a cloth. Very nice, very nice. So let's go ahead and get some water. Here we go. Alright, so if you can imagine, there's dirt there, and then the water is just carrying it through. I think that's the behavior that we can expect from the tire shine. I will report back after a few days. Of course, I can expect that the shine will go down, but I hope that the protection will still be there. After drying it, the finish seems to be more matte now. Still looks clean, but the shine has definitely gone down. Let's hit it with more water, see if the beading properties are still there. Protection is still there. Alright, cool. So it's matte and it's protecting it. Awesome, so let's dry it off. So again guys, thank you for watching. If you want more videos, please consider subscribing. If you found this helpful, please share. This is trippymarv, signing out.